Hi friends, Ben back again. This time it's going to be something very interesting. From now on, there's going to be a series of videos which is going to be about this particular motorcycle here. So this, as you guys have already seen in my previous video, is my friend's motorcycle. He just got it second hand, that is used. This has been ridden for about 4,000 kilometers or so, and so it is in pretty good shape and condition, except for the exhaust and some nuts and bolts here and there which have been exposed to a lot of moisture, I believe, and so the sheen and the shine is just not there. But apart from that, the motorcycle is in pretty decent condition. I very recently worked on the valves and adjusted the valves, and it's due for an oil change. And yeah, we'll get into the mechanics of things later, but for now, the most interesting thing is this is going to be a build series, adventure build, and those are all the parts that you guys get to see. So yeah, anything and everything that you have seen on my motorcycle is going on this motorcycle as well. To start with, the Ktm Handlebar. For all the fellows who want to know what the part number is, it is JG151045. So that is the part number, priced at 1833 rupees. So the KTM Adventure 390 handlebar. Then what do we have? We have Storm grips. So this is the model that I've gotten. Again, I'll have to cut it to shape so that it fits the Royal Enfield tank, and also the ergonomics. You have to keep in mind, where does the rider need these the most, and so it changes from person to person. It's because our upper bodies and our lower bodies are different. Not everybody's legs are I mean not everyone has the same length inseam. So yeah, you'll have to do a bit of figuring out with him riding the motorcycle and me constantly analyzing, checking and rechecking to know where this goes on the motorcycle. So these are Storm grips. I've made videos on all of these fellas, but just so that you guys know what these things look like. They look like knobs, knobby tires. So Storm grips. Then of course the ABC fully sintered brake pads going on to the front, so that his braking is better, as good as mine. My motorcycle brakes better than any motorcycle from the Himalayan range. So just this, the right oil, and a regular servicing of the calipers, and they do wonderfully well. What is this? These are bar ends weights for the handlebar, and these are mudguard risers, the front mudguard risers. So there's a whole bunch of parts. And what was in this? Maybe all of this. And we have the aux lights from HJG, so spotlights. Then we have the Barkbuster handguards, which I just made a video on very recently. So these are Barkbuster handguards, and replica. And preload adjusters. These are preload adjusters that are going on to the front of the motorcycle, the forks. And this is from a company called Marsh Auto Tech. You guys can check this out online and purchase yourselves preload adjusters. Don't forget to watch all these videos that I've made on all these goods. Is because that is all that you need. You need the information, you need the knowledge to know whether or not these products fit you. Will they work for you or not? Switch, waterproof switch for the lights, and something else if I were to fit something else on the motorcycle. Again, what is this? The rest of the handguard, clamps and stuff. The rest of the handguard. What else do we have here? Nothing else. That's about it. What do we have here? The Locomoly .4 brake fluid, which is going on his motorcycle. And then I have the Bobo charger, So this is more like a jaw grip for the mobile phone. Also comes with a charging unit. Then oil filter, and we'll talk about this. This is the surprise, guys. I got myself the Amsoil synthetic 10W50 dirt bike oil. I'm going to be trying this. This is going to be first of its kind. There are friends who have recommended this on Instagram, and that is why I thought of getting myself this. But then again, it was not this oil, it was the regular street bike oil that those guys recommended. But I did some reading on Amsoil, and man, it turns out to be good reviews, and nothing but good reviews all over the world. People speak very highly of this oil, and so this is going onto the motorcycle, mine as well as his. It's a 10W50, so I don't think that ought to be a problem. And it's a synthetic oil. So from a semi-synthetic to a synthetic, the first time on my Himalayan. Let's see how this goes. Nothing wrong in synthetic, but some synthetics which are purpose-built, that is race synthetic oils, may not work well on regular engines. So just letting you know, there are pros and cons to synthetic oil. This is specially formulated for dirt bike use, better clutch feel. So let's pour this in and then talk about it. So there are these oils here. What else do we have here? What is this? Feels heavy. Yeah, handlebar risers. So this is the handlebar riser. Again, another handguard, or that would be the oil. Something else for the Himalayan, for all the Himalayan users, it's the Pro Spec Easy Clutch. So for all the fellows who want to make your clutch feel, clutch grab lighter, please order this and install right now. This will make a world of a difference. And this thing, this particular model is the long model, not the short model. So get this instead of the short one that I have on my motorcycles, because there will be a bit of a customization that you'll have to do. But with this, it's a clean swap. Well, that's the whole bunch of stuff that I have here with me now. You know, there's a whole lot more that is on the way, being shipped, and it's getting to my doorstep. So you will start seeing a series of videos which is going to be about how do I install all of this on my friend's motorcycle and make it just like that. So the tires are also going to be going on, and we will have replicas in some time from now. Just for the minor changes. Everything else is going to be the same. And you will also see me ride along with him. He is crazy, literally crazy on and off road, and we both used to do a lot of riding together. So you will definitely see a whole bunch of new videos on riding as well. So this is the series, the build series, which is starting off with today's video. And yep, so the next thing is going to be the handlebars, maybe, or what. Let's just wait and see. So if you guys like this, and if you guys are interested in seeing how things are going to turn out in some time, please do subscribe to the channel and keep watching these videos, because these videos are educational and also entertaining. So yep, we'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.